Today we're adding an iconic weapon to the vault, the Chaos Blades from God of War. I found this amazing model on Thingiverse, created by the Moonglade Forge. Huge shout out to them. Be sure to check out their other awesome designs. Let's go ahead and download this file, load it into the slicer, and prep it for printing. As you can see on the top left, after getting the model sliced, this print will take 28 hours and 45 minutes. Let's go ahead and get this file loaded into the printer and press start. Don't forget, all my prints are available for sale on my Etsy page. Head over there and check them out. Link in my bio. If you enjoyed this project, let me know in the comments what I should print next. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more epic projects like this.